In this video, I will show you how to get shift lock in Steal A Brainrot on Roblox. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do is log into Roblox and just go ahead and start the Steal A Brainrot experience. So just give it a search and start this via Roblox. Once the game has loaded through, what you want to do is press escape on your keyboard. That's going to load up the menu like this and come up to the top, and what you want to do is click onto settings. Once you clicked on settings, you're going to see at the top the option for shift lock switch. All you need to do is simply turn this on, just like so. And then what you can do is just click onto resume down here, and shift lock will now be enabled. So when you hold down shift on your keyboard, of course you can use your mouse to move the camera whilst shift is held down. So that is how to turn on shift lock on Steal A Brainrot on Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.